Entering credit card statement transactions one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your credit card data is already in Excel, CSV, card exports, bank files, or another system. Instead of entering each credit card transaction manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import credit card statement data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and download the import result for your records. In this video, I'll show you how to import credit card statements into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Select Credit Card Statement. Next, browse and select your prepared credit card statement file from your system. Here, I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. Once the file is added, continue to the Mapping screen. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks credit card statement fields. If you want to save this mapping for future credit card statement imports, click Add or Save Mapping. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields such as statement number, date, credit card account, payee, account, amount, debit, credit, memo, and class are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, review the credit card statement data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to control the date format, transaction reference number, matching transactions, payees, accounts, classes, and other import preferences. Review and save the settings if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the credit card statement data into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the result summary. Here, you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors, if any. If any record fails, review the error message, fix the issue, and re-import the corrected records. To verify the imported credit card transaction, click the QuickBooks link from the results screen. SaasAnt will open the specific record inside QuickBooks Desktop. You can also download the import result for your records. That's how you can import credit card statements into QuickBooks Desktop in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.